What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? Hey guys, what's going on? It's Johnny Insane here. I've received some crazy support from Forge Motorsport lately, and that includes the United Kingdom division where their headquarters is, and also Forge Motorsport USA. I have no way I can put it into words how grateful I am for the opportunity that Forge Motorsport's given me. A big shout out to Peter, the CEO of Forge Motorsport, for making this happen. I'm very, very grateful for this opportunity. I got goosebumps. It's a shock, guys. It's a total shock. Shout out to all of the fantastic social media team members that I've been able to communicate with on both sides of UK and USA. Dalton, Esme, AJ, Sam, Zach. I know I'm forgetting names, but I want you guys to know that I'll never forget this. I'm very grateful. I hope you guys noticed the two ambient lights in the background. I've tried to match that to Forge Motorsport's color. Give it a bit of an ambient vibe in here. Right behind me, guys, is the front mount intercooler for the Elantra N. And it was a product that was recently released in early 2025. Big shout out to Forge Motorsport USA and Miltech Corporation. A lot of research and development has gone behind this front mount intercooler. And as you guys know, I have a Forge Motorsport intake, inlet, short shifter, and the carbon fiber engine cover, which is right here above my head on the wall. Just over winter, I have that up there. But as you guys can imagine, the more Forge Motorsport I have on my car, the better. And it's hard for me not to be biased. As mentioned, I am sponsored by them. But the fact remains, the research and development is second to none. All right, guys, so let's get into the unboxing. As you guys can see, the box is pretty massive and it is fragile. So let's try to be gentle. Good packing tape, quite a large box as well. Wow, so the pack-in right off the start, guys, really impressed. Okay, this is a stencil, nice. So that's awesome, that's a big stencil, and even after using that, I'll probably hang that on my wall somewhere. I want to show you guys this real quick. Try to be gentle with this. As you guys can see in the box, right here they use it almost looks like it's like a molded styrofoam. We'll start to unpack it a bit. A lot of packing paper, which is what we want to see. It's good to see that they really don't skimp out on any of the packaging to keep it nice and stiff in the box. That's what she said. All right, a little bit more packing paper. A little bit more packing paper on the bottom too. So on the sides here, guys, this is a special kind of packaging. It's a type of styrofoam packaging that when you put it inside the box, you pop some packets on the inside of it and it starts to inflate. So they're able to put these on both sides. Incredible packaging to help keep it stiff in there and make sure nothing gets broken or bent. So I'll start to take a few things out, guys. There's 4 ring clamps in here. You're gonna need those ring clamps to attach the 2 silicone pipes that also come with the front mount intercooler. So those 4 ring clamps there are gonna be for these 2 tubes, silicone tubes, or pipes. I'm not even, hoses. I'm not sure what you'd call them, guys. I'm nervous, forgive me. And here is the intercooler itself, which is also wrapped up in a box. I'm gonna put that right over here on my bed. Then I'm just gonna show you tons more packaging on the bottom as well. Oh yeah, a lot more than you'd think. I'm gonna need a whole garbage bag just to get rid of that, which is perfect. That's exactly what you'd want out of a company that cares about their product. Of course, Forge Motorsport vinyl sticker. A little manual here, it says download your instructions. And then it has a QR code, and then all of their information for Forge Motorsport UK, Forge Motorsport USA, and Forge Motorsport Asia, which is actually one of the shirts I'm wearing right now is a Forge Motorsport Asia shirt. And I'm gonna get to that shortly too, because I don't know if you guys noticed, but There's a ton of Forge gear behind me on the couch. Speechless, guys. Yeah, they sent me all that too. Speechless. Right here, I got a sheet, one-sided sheet, really well put together. Important information regarding your new Forge cooling product. All Forge products are tested before leaving our facility to ensure you 100% satisfaction and reliability. I love it. General information and care for your Forge cooling product. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 bullet points with really detailed information that you'd want when you're installing this type of product. And then what should you do if a fault develops? If you suspect that the problem has occurred due to faulty manufacturer, please contact your Forge dealer, Forge Motorsport UK, USA, or Asia, depending on your geographical location, to discuss the issue. And also, how to get the best from your Forge cooling products. Ensure the fitting is carried out by a reputable or competent garage. I'm the garage. Carry out regular visual checks, inspections, and servicing. Only fit the Forge coolant product for the application that it was designed for, and do not fit other parts that could detrimentally affect the efficiency of your Forge cooling product. Awesome, cool. And that's the box, guys. I do want to mention too, it's a really thick box, so you can tell they don't slack around on the packaging. So far, so good. All right, guys, so we're gonna get back to it. Now that I showed you guys the packaging and everything inside the box, I got the intercooler right here. I'm gonna try to give you guys a good view of what this thing is all about. And it is massive, guys. It's massive. Oh, I wish I heard that once in my life. The intercooler itself is just huge. Look at the size of this bad boy. Oh my goodness, man. Unreal. No wonder that thing cools air temps. This is going to be such a big part of my build. Such a big part in maintaining engine health. Above 4,000 RPM, it starts to heat up really quick, and the way this front mount intercooler from Forge Motorsport keeps those temps stable and low all the way to redline, what a valuable upgrade this is for your car. I love you guys. I love you guys so much. I'll be repping Forge Motorsport for the rest of my life.